Welcome again to Light Mode. Our target is always to leverage your time. So it doesn't matter whether you are in final year of graduation or you are at age 28 or 29, either it's first attempt or last attempt. Our target is always to make sure that you get the selection within 1 year. So if you are sincere about your preparation, if you want to get your dream job within 1 year, then do subscribe us. And there is good news about RBI Grade B 2020 which I am going to discuss in this video. So stay tuned and do subscribe if you are sincere and you want to get selected within 6 months or 1 year. Let's move. So the good news is that the revised interview schedule, which is tentative for DEPR and DSIM, has been announced. And the dates are 8 to 12 October. Earlier it was in September, and the new dates are now in October. So the interview call letters will be released to the selected candidates and the interview will be through video conferencing. Few students have already given their interview and few are left. So don't worry and stay calm and do appear for your interview. Now what's good news for future aspirants? See, what RBI does is, once the final thing is over, like once these people will get the job, okay, let's assume by October end they get the final joining, then in November you can expect a new notification for RBI Grade B 2020. Now when the notification will come, let's assume that they will conduct the exam in 2 to 3 weeks, and the internal news is that RBI has reserved slots in TCS ION, which is the conducting body of the IBPS and RBI exams. So in November they have reserved few slots. So there is chance that RBI Grade B may get conduct in November end or December beginning. So stay ready for that, and that's a very internal news. Let's move forward. There are more opportunities which I want to discuss with you. Like this opportunity is of PFRDA. Now the date of PFRDA Officer Grade A Assistant Manager, which is again a good job, and this is a regulatory development authority for pension fund, is released. The date of online examination is 8 November 2020. So this is the day. If you have filled the form where the seats were low, around 8 seats, then you can check your calendar for this date. Moving forward, if I talk about the syllabus of RBI Grade B and the exam pattern, so here you will see there are two kind of jobs, one for legal and other for general. So in generalist, this professional knowledge will not come and this descriptive test will not come. So these 5 sections will be there. The exam will be of 200 marks for generalist, and for legal these things will add up. Now if you are worrying like from where to study general awareness and financial sector awareness, so our course is already available for this thing, as well as for descriptive test our course is available. So you can check the description as well as our website for these things. Moving forward, there is again a good news, and this is again from a good bank, which is National Housing Bank, and it is under RBI. So it's a good opportunity for you all, and the number of seats is more than PFRDA. It's 16, and all the general category students who are simple graduate, they can also apply for this exam. So the dates are already open, and the date is till 18th of September. So you can go for this as well. And the exam format, if I talk about the exam format, so here you can see the exam format. Now you would be thinking how to clear this exam. So reasoning is of 60 marks and GA is of 50 marks. So out of 200, this constitutes 110 marks. So if you are getting out of 110 90 to 100 marks, then your chances to get select in NHB is damn sure. And again, for general awareness our course is already available, and for reasoning and computer aptitude there is a playlist. If you go to our YouTube channel Light Mode, you will find a section of reasoning playlist which you can watch, and you can easily practice and get more than 40-45 marks in reasoning. And in reasoning, practice is the key, nothing else will work, no trick, nothing. Practice is the key, and by practicing you can develop your own tricks as well. Apart from that, for general awareness, our course is already available, and English is all about reading, so that is of 30 marks. Quant is again of 60 mark, and it's of high weightage. So if I talk about descriptive, so there is a descriptive thing also, and for that also essay and later there is a course available, so you can check out that. If I talk about the last year cutoff, the last year cutoff was 150, and the final selection 150 was out of 200, and the final selection was at 206 marks. So if you want to get this job, you have to score out of 200 around 170, because here the difference is of 56 marks and the interviews of 50 marks. So you can assume that you will get an interview call at this mark, but you will not get the final selection because there is a catch. I think you are smart enough to understand this thing, and that's why I am saying you have to score out of 200 170 marks. Not who will get the selection. Those people who are good at all subjects, they will get the selection. If you are good at only English and Quant, you are not going to get the selection. If you are only good at GA and English, you are not going to get the selection. Whosoever is good at all 4 subjects, at least these 3, okay, so they are going to get the selection. So you will have to be like a good all-rounder like Ravindra Jadeja, or let's say a good all-rounder can get this job. Moving forward, now let's come back to RBI. So our courses are already online for RBI, SEBI, NABARD, and apart from that PFRDA, NHB, Finance, IT we are also planning, as well as the good news is for legal aspirants also. For legal also we are planning few mock tests and descriptives already online. Apart from that, there is a news like RBI grade A will come. If RBI grade A will come, then we will change our format in real time and we will help you in real scenario. So don't worry for that. So phase 1, SEBI, NABARD, for all those things, personalized mentoring, test series, descriptive guidance, PDF, everything is being provided. Moving forward, and let's talk about RBI grade B, because you can click on the left hand side of I button and you can see that I have uploaded a strategy video for our South Indian friends as well as our North Indian friends who don't understand Hindi, that I will upload a video for RBI grade B course once it's online. So now the course is online, and to all my brothers, Tamrus, Chetas and Annas, let's discuss what's there in RBI grade B course. So first there is phase 1. Okay, so in phase 1 there are 4 sections: GA, GK, Quant, Reasoning and English. GA consists of 80 marks and Reasoning consists of 60 marks, so 140 out of 200. So for phase 1 we are going to help you in GA as well as Reasoning and Quant English also. Apart from phase 1, let's move to phase 2. Now I was talking to one of our subscribers today. So what she told me, that last year she wasn't selected. Why? Because she focused on phase 1, and once the notification came after phase 1, RBI hardly gives 2 to 3 weeks for preparation of phase 2. Now you can't cover whole phase 2 syllabus in 2 to 3 weeks. That's why our course is going to be online from 1st of September, and in September, October and November, in 3 months you can complete your full phase 2 syllabus, and once you are done with phase 2 syllabus, when the notification will arrive, you can directly jump to phase 1 preparation through mock test, through rigorous study, and if you are done with that, you can easily clear phase 1, and phase 2 you are already done. So in that 2-3 weeks, phase 1 between phase 2 and phase 1, you can improve your score, you can appear for mock test, you can brush up your knowledge, you can gain more insights, and descriptive is also an important part. So let's talk about phase 2 in detail. So in ESI there is 4 pillars: static, like static economic and social issues things which you study from Ramesh Singh, and apart from that there is current also, like more questions are there from current affairs. Economic and social issues are not directly asked from book, they are more current affairs based. So we will also provide current affairs based ESI MCQs and videos, and the weightage is high of current affairs. Government schemes will be also there, and you don't have to worry about economic survey, union budget, Kurukshetra, Yojana, 4-5 newspapers, business standard, Limit. If you have time, you can go for that. But if you are working in a private job, IT company, any public sector bank, So do subscribe us. I will highly recommend to those people who are in job, who have less time, because our company's name LYT stands for leverage your time. So our target is not to help you get a job in 5 years. If you are sincere of getting a job in 1 year and you are desperate for that, then do join us. Otherwise, there are plethora of websites and YouTube channels on internet. You can just spend your time over there. No offense. Moving forward, and quizzes is already there for revision. Moving forward, finance and management, a scoring topic. Okay, a scoring subject as well as the topics like static, current, government schemes also for finance and quizzes will be available. And FOM is highly scoring subject. You can easily score 80 to 90 if you go through our modules and revise it multiple times. Now descriptive is a very tricky thing. Descriptive consists of 100 marks, like all these three subjects, ESI, FOM, descriptive, all are of 100 marks, 100 into 3. But people give most of the time on ESI and FM and they ignore descriptive. Why? I want to ask you why. It's also 100 marks. There is no negative marking. It's all about your writing skills and you ignore this. And I have seen students scoring 70 marks in ESI, 80 marks in FOM and 50 marks in descriptive, and they fail miserably because 80 plus 50 is plus 70 is around 200. The cutoff for general category is 210, so you will fail. So what you have to do, you have to score more in descriptive, because getting 70 80 is not easy. If you get 60 70, so you need 20 more mark here. So you have to at least get you have to target 80 into 3. Okay, you have to target 240. If you will target 240, then only you will get 210. If you will target 200, then you will get 160 170. So dream big. There is no tax on dreaming, so why dream for less? Moving forward, for descriptive we have 4 tests, and the 4 tests will consist of essay, which is of 40 marks. Apart from that, we have précis, letter, and for NABARD also we have RC and report writing, all those things. So mainly for RBI we have essay, précis and letter, and you can prepare for that. We will also provide probable essay topics and the fodder content for that, so that you don't have to go through the newspaper and all those things. How to write an essay, how to write précis, how to write letter, videos are already on YouTube or in our channels. You can watch that, and apart from that we will also provide you more value added videos as well as lectures. So don't worry, and this is the plan for RBI grade B 2021. So you can take the screenshot also, and this will help you become RBI grade B officer in this year. So you can take a screenshot of this as well. Moving forward, what we are going to start. So there is a problem with the students. One student called me day before tomorrow and he was saying, so I need a daily routine. I am full-time aspirant, I need a daily routine. Today also I talked to an aspirant. He was saying that I am working in Wipro and I need a daily routine. So I told him, why you need daily routine? So he said that I am not able to manage my time. So that's why we are here with the daily routine plan. For 7 days in week, there are 7 days, and to maintain the consistency, you don't procrastinate. We are doing on Monday ESI, Tuesday finance, Wednesday management, phase 2 covered, GK GA on Thursday, phase 2 based current affairs on Friday, because this will help you get a control over what you have studied on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Mock test on Saturday to analyze how much you have studied in these 5 days, and on Sunday you can write a descriptive English before Monday blues. So this is the full plan for weekly plan, and this will go from September to November, and in these 3 months your phase 2 syllabus will be covered. So when the notification will arrive, you will directly jump to phase 1 and boom, you will clear phase 1 and then appear for phase 2, because last year 4 lakh students appear for phase 1, and out of 4 lakh around 1800 appeared for phase 2. So around 3,80,000 and more than those means around 3,98,200 to be more accurate. 3,98,200 students were rejected. This much people were rejected after phase 1. So if you have to reach the pool of this 2k or 1800, and this year 5 lakh students will apply, because due to corona, pay cuts, job losses and all those things, people are hoping high on RBI, and people from IIMs, IITs, as well as unemployed aspirants and bankers, either they are clerk or PO and SBI POs, also are appearing for this exam. Commerce graduates, BCom graduates, BA, BSc, everybody is giving this exam. The competition will be high, and you have to be early mover. If you are not an early mover, then you will lose the opportunity. Let me tell a story. If I talked about early mover, what is early mover? There is a entrepreneur from Karnataka, Mr. Mustafa. He is the owner of ID Foods. Now, when he was in NIT Tirchi in 2004 or 5, he got an idea of WhatsApp kind of thing, okay, peer-to-peer chat group. So he didn't work on WhatsApp, that was an idea. And in 2012-13, WhatsApp was bought by Facebook in hoping $20 billion. Okay, so that was the opportunity loss of this entrepreneur. If he would have worked on this, maybe Google or Facebook would have acquired his company in $1 billion. So that's the opportunity loss. So you don't have to be a procrastinative person. You have to jump and you have to start early. Okay, if you will fail, no problem, you will learn. But if you will not start, definitely you are going to fail. Moving forward, what else we are going to provide? So this is the portal where you can see the course: General Awareness, Static plus Current, PFRDA, NHB for that, and RBI English Descriptive, ESI, less cramming, more mastery, Finance, less traditional, more flexible, Management, less tension and more momentum. So everything is there of RBI Grade B course. Apart from that, we have more courses also. If you are preparing for IBPS or RBPO clerk, SBI PO clerk, IBPS PO clerk, so you can go for this course. Apart from that, if you are preparing for English descriptive and you think your descriptive is not so strong, and you are appearing for RBI, SEBI, PFRDA, Bank, SSC, CAPF, SSC, CGL Tier 3, so you can go for our English descriptive course. Here you will get around 10 tests, and that will be evaluated, and your score will be boosted by this course. Apart from that, we have also NABARD course available, and it's descriptive as well as mock test for generalist. Again, we have a GK course for RRB plus SBI plus IBPS. We have also a course for GK if you are appearing for RBI plus SEBI plus PFRDA. So you can check out that also. The link is in the description box. Moving forward, if you have any doubt, then do mail us at hi@lightmode.in. This is the email ID, hi@lightmode.in, and check description for the details. And I believe that our price is very affordable, because in the corona time the students are going through a tough phase, and we don't want to just get huge amount of money from you people. We want to get your selection done in minimum time as well as at affordable cost. That's why our price is very affordable, and it's highly affordable. So do go for it. And the feedback loop, our scientific study and our rigorous training program will help you. And the feedback loop works like that. If you will go for mock, we will analyze, we will personalize, train you in various things, so that you can improve over time. And once you will improve, you will get good score in the next mock. So we have iterated a closed feedback loop where you will get your real-time feedback, and you can again increase your input. And if input is increased, the output will be always good. So don't worry if you are in final year or you are at age 29, don't worry, LYT is there for you, and go for our course. And all the best. For any doubt, go to the description, click the link, mail us. All the Facebook, Telegram group link is there. Do join us over there. And if you like this videos, especially our Tamarus, Chetas and Annas, then do hit the like button, because few people were saying that we only provide videos in Hindi. So see, that's not the case. Our course is in English only. So our focus is also on South Indian friends. So do click the like button so that I know that our friends from South India are loving us. And if you don't like this video, do click the dislike button, but let me know why you disliked it. Do dislike, but tell me the reason why you disliked, okay, so that I can improve in the next video and I can apply the feedback loop over myself also, because the rule is same for everybody. So God bless you all. Thank you for watching the video. Stay strong and stay safe with your family. Thank you for watching the video. God bless you all again.